Your insurance company rejected your Hyundai anti-theft update proof, even though you have the letter from the dealer. Here's what's going on. You sent them the wrong piece of paper. That notification letter you got in. The mail, or the screenshot from an app, isn't technical proof to an underwriter. It's just communication. They need a specific service record to close the file on their end. Think of it this way. The insurance underwriter isn't trying to be difficult. They don't see your car. They see a line of code in a database that flags your vehicle as a high-risk asset. To change that flag from vulnerable to secured, they need a very specific key, and that key is a code on an official service document. Without it, their system won't accept the change. The letter from Hyundai tells you about the fix. The document from the dealer proves the fix was done. The whole point of this update is to change the software on your car's body control module, or BCM. The BCM is a small computer that handles things like your locks, alarm, and lights. The software flash rewrites its programming so the starter relay won't work unless it gets the right digital signal from your key fob. This stops the simple theft method that was being used. The proof that this rewrite happened is a specific labor operation code on your service invoice. For this anti-theft campaign, that code is usually 90C069R0. That number is the only thing that matters. You probably already have the document you need. Here's how to find it and what to send. First, go through the paperwork you got from the dealership. You're looking for the multi-page service invoice, not the summary sheet. Find the page marked Customer Copy of the Repair Order, often called the RO. It might be a white or yellow carbon copy page. Next, look at the top of that page. You need to find and confirm your vehicle's VIN is printed correctly. That's the 17-digit number that uniquely identifies your car. If the VIN on the paper doesn't match the VIN on your insurance card, it's the wrong document. Then, scan down the list of services performed. You're looking for a line item describing the anti-theft logic update, or referencing Service Campaign 993. Right next to that description, you will see the labor operation code, 90C069R0. That is the proof. If you can't find this paper, just call the service department of the dealership that did the work. Give them your VIN and ask for a digital copy of the repair order from that visit. They can email it to you. Once you have that single page, take a clear photo or scan of it. Make sure the dealer name, your full VIN, and that 90C069R0 code are all perfectly clear. Submit only this one page to your insurance company. Failing to provide this exact proof can lead to your policy not being renewed, or complicate a theft claim down the road. So before you do anything else, find that repair order. It's the key to solving this.